Welcome to Hebeon.com, your gateway to learning and development. Open Hebeon.com and embark on your learning journey. Step 1. Click on the I4 Candidates button in the right top navigation bar. Step 2. Once you're on the candidate page, you'll find a treasure trove of free courses available for you to try out. Once you've selected the course you want to try, click on it to navigate to the registration page. Then fill out the required details, ensuring your information is accurate and up to date. After providing the necessary information, click on the Register button to create your account. After registration, it will take you to the dashboard from where you can access all your courses and webinars, exams, and your performance analysis. Click on the Courses and Labs card to explore our diverse range of courses. Select the course that piques your interest and click View to start your learning adventure. Our courses are designed in modules to ensure an effective learning experience. Each module comprises different sections, enabling you to learn progressively and efficiently. Explore the content of each section and immerse yourself in new knowledge. Our LMS utilizes a sequence of lessons, references, coding tasks, and code snippets to optimize learning within each chapter. Our courses follow a simple pattern: learn a concept, then practice it. This approach ensures you understand and remember what you've learned, helping you learn faster. Furthermore, this method accelerates students' learning, proving beneficial for those seeking optimal educational outcomes. Stay on top of your progress with our Course Report, a feature exclusively designed to help you keep track of your performance. Whether you're taking tests in an exam or tackling coding challenges within a course, our Course Report provides you with valuable insights. Monitor your test results and review your coding challenge performance effortlessly. In courses, click on Download Certificate option after completing the course with minimum passing grade to download course completion certificate. To begin the exam, click on the Exams card. You will be taken to a page displaying all exams assigned to you. From there, click on the Start button to proceed to the instruction page. Read the instructions carefully and accept to start the exam. The exam is divided into parts, comprising both MCQ and coding questions. For MCQs, select the appropriate option and click Next to proceed to the next question. For coding questions, carefully read the question and write the code to match the outputs with the given test cases. Hit the Run Code button to evaluate your code. After completing all coding and MCQs, once you're confident that everything is completed, click on the Submit Exam button located right top to submit the exam. After completing the exam, you can view your score and review your answers along with the correct options. You have the freedom to write custom programs using the Access Playground feature. This allows you to practice and experiment with coding at your convenience. Additionally, after completing any program or exercise, you can review your code and receive valuable feedback to enhance your programming skills further. Take advantage of our versatile platform to engage in interactive learning and improve your coding proficiency. Hebeon, beyond careers.